Welcome to your French class. In this class, we are going to do Leçon-2 Après le bac, after the baccalaureate, from your book ENTRE JEUNE for class 10th. So let's start. In this chapter, you are introduced with a tense, le futur antérieur. Le futur antérieur représente une action antérieure à une autre action dans l'avenir. The future antérieur is formed by using the future tense of the helping verb avoir or être plus the past participle of the action being performed. Okay, and it corresponds to the English future perfect tense. The futur antérieur tells about what the subject will have done. For example, they will have finished their work before my departure. Okay, like this. Here we have two verbs, donner and aller. For conjugating them in futur antérieur, first we'll take the future simple conjugation of avoir or être, then we'll add the past participle. Let's read both the verbs. J'aurai donné, tu auras donné, il, elle aura donné, nous aurons donné, vous aurez donné, ils, elles auront donné. Now let's come to the next verb, aller. Je serai allé, tu seras allé, il or elle sera allé, nous serons allés, vous serez allés, ils, elles seront allés. Whenever you conjugate any verb with être, do not forget to accord it with the subject. Okay. Now let's start with the first question, which means complete the following dialogues using the words given below. Complète le dialogue suivant à l'aide des mots donnés ci-dessous. Le présentateur, que voulez-vous faire quand vous avez fini votre baccalauréat? Now the presenter is asking the students, what do you want to do when you will have finished your baccalaureate? Few options were from futur simple and few options from futur antérieur. L'élève, après mon baccalauréat, j'irai à la fac. Now the first student replies, after my baccalaureate, I will go to college. L'élève 2, lorsque j'aurai eu mon bac, j'entrerai dans un IUT. It means when I will have got my baccalaureate, I will enter an IUT. L'élève 3, après mon bac, je suivrai une formation professionnelle, which means after my baccalaureate, I will follow a professional training. L'élève 4, quand j'aurai terminé mon bac, je passerai un concours pour entrer dans les écoles supérieures. When I will have finished my baccalaureate, I will pass the competition exam for entering the higher schools. L'élève 5, après mon bac, je ferai des études de technologie. Means after my baccalaureate, I will study technology. L'élève 6, lorsque j'aurai obtenu mon diplôme, je cherche un emploi. When I will have obtained my diploma, I will look for a job. Now we see wheresoever you are saying I will have, you are using le futur antérieur. And where you are saying I will do, I will go, there you are using futur simple. Now comes the second question. Complète avec le futur et le futur antérieur. Sentence number 1. Quand j'aurai fait mon travail, j'irai au cinéma. Which means when I will have finished my work, I will go to cinema. So here it is very clear when I am saying I will have, I am using futur antérieur, and when I am saying I will, I am using futur simple. Now sentence number 2. Lorsque j'aurai choisi un livre, je sortirai. Which means when I will have chosen a book, I will go out or I will leave. Now comes sentence number 3. Aussitôt qu'il se sera levé, il allumera la lumière. Which means as soon as he will have got up, he will turn on the light. If you need to understand this topic in detail, please go to the above link. Now comes the next question. Mets en ordre. To rearrange the dialogues can start with the greetings like salut, bonjour, etc. So the right order of these sentences should be Denis, salut Akansha, Akansha, salut Denis, Denis. Qu'est-ce qui se passe? Akansha, tu sais, mes parents rentrent en Inde. Now here first we'll get the meaning of these sentences. Dennis, hi Akansha, Akansha, hi Dennis, Dennis, what's going on? Akansha, you know, my parents are going back to India. Denis, c'est vrai? Et quand est-ce que tu dois partir? Akansha, après le bac, je crois. Now it means, Dennis, is that true? And when you should leave? Akansha, after the baccalaureate, I think. Denis, ça te plaît d'aller en Inde? Akansha, oui, certainement. J'aimerais bien rejoindre mes grands-parents, mais vous me manquerez tous. Now Dennis asked, do you like going to India, Akansha? Yes, definitely. I would love to join my grandparents, but I will miss you all. Denis, ne t'inquiète pas. On peut toujours rester en contact sur Facebook. Which means Dennis says, don't worry, we can always stay in touch on Facebook. So for doing this type of questions, you must understand the text first. Okay, let's come to the next question. Reliez les mots de la colonne A avec ceux de la colonne B, which means connect the words in column A with those in column B. Or you can say match the given verbs with the related things. Now here I have shown you the right order. Now we'll move on to question number 3. Donne la forme nominale des verbes suivants et fais des phrases avec ces noms. It means give the nominal form of the following verbs and make sentences with these names. Now here your answers may differ, but the nouns are same of every verb. Okay. Like the first verb is arriver and the nominal form of this verb should be l'arriver. The second verb is acheter, so the nominal form should be l'achète. The third one is vendre and the nominal form should be la vente. Now here few sentences are framed using these nominal forms. The first one is j'attends l'arrivée du printemps, which means I wait the arrival of spring season. Now the next one is le week-end, je fais des achats avec ma mère, which means on weekends I shop or I do shopping with my mom. Now the next one is le bureau est en vente, which means the office is for sale. Now the next one is, now here we have got more two words to frame sentences with and to write their nominal form. And then comes question number 4. Le découragement n'est pas bon pour la vie. It means discouragement is not good for life. And the nominal form of décourager is le découragement. As-tu un souhait pour ton anniversaire? Which means, do you have a wish for your birthday? Now the verb is souhaiter, which means to wish, and the nominal form of this word is le souhait. Now comes the next question, question number 4. Réécris le dialogue suivant en corrigeant les fautes s'il y en a, which means rewrite the following dialogues, correcting errors if there are any. Now here you need to change the conjugation of the verb as per the context. In each given sentence there is an error. You have to rewrite it using the correct verb. Le père. Dis-moi, quand finiras-tu ton devoir? Father, tell me, when will you finish your homework? Now in the given sentence there was an error. They used the wrong conjugation of the verb finir. Now comes the next sentence. The right sentence should be le fils, après mon devoir, que devrais-je faire? Which means son is saying, after my homework, what should I do? Now comes the next sentence. Le père, nous pourrons regarder la télévision. Where father is replying and saying, we will be able to watch TV. Le fils, qu'est-ce qu'il y a à la télévision? Which means, what's there on the television? Le père, quand la nouvelle aura terminé, on aura un beau film. Father is answering, when the news will have finished, we will have a good movie. Le fils, après mon devoir, je voudrais aller voir mon ami. Means, after my homework, I would like to go to see my friend. Now if you notice, in each correct sentence, error is corrected and written in italic form. Now comes question number 5. Rétablis l'ordre des mots dans les phrases suivantes, which means restore word order in the following sentences. You need to arrange all these words in the right order, and for that, formation of the sentence should be followed. And the right formation of the sentence is, first of all, you need to write a subject, then comes the verb, then comes the object. So let's start with the first one. J'aurai fini mon travail dans 2 minutes. It means I will have done my work in 2 minutes. So in this sentence, first we use the subject, then we have written futur antérieur conjugation of finir, then comes the rest of the sentence, means the object. Number 2. Après avoir fini son devoir, il verra un film. Means after having finished his homework, he will see a movie. In third sentence, the right order should be quand il sera rentré de l'école, il ira jouer au tennis. Means when he will have got home from school, he will go for playing tennis. Now the next sentence should be elle sera partie plus tôt qu'avant, which means she will have left earlier than before. So while doing this kind of questions, always use the subject in the beginning, then write the verb and then write rest of the sentence. Okay. Now comes the next question, question number 6. Écris une lettre à un ami canadien lui parlant du système éducatif en France ou en Inde. It means write a letter to a Canadian friend telling him about the education system in France or India. Okay. This letter is already uploaded. Please go to the link for the same. So that's it for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.